Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Cobalt key fob here. It works for these models and you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right at the bottom over here. When you turn the fob, you see this small hole. And now when you find this hole, take the small flat screwdriver, insert the tip right here in this hole, and now twist it a little bit. This way this will crack open, and the whole idea here is just to separate this fob into two pieces, just like this. And when you separate it into two pieces, right after that here you see your old dead battery. To remove the battery, it's very easy. Just from this side over here, take your small flat screwdriver, push the battery, or you can use your fingers and just push the battery here down. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just slide your new battery like this, and also make sure this side here is the positive side that facing you. This step here is very important. Now when you place your new battery over here, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together, just like this here. And when you snap them together like this, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.